Welcome! In front of me is Xiaomi RedmiBook 14, and in this video I will show you how to disable power saving modes to increase this device's productivity. First, right-click the battery icon in the bottom right corner of your screen and go into Power and Sleep option right here. Then expand the Energy Saver tab. And as you can see, my energy saver is manually enabled right now, so to disable it, switch this toggle to the left. And if you want to disable it forever, change this option to never. And this option basically it's only used for your energy saver if you want to use it, and it lowers the screen brightness. It switches the toggles, switching the screen brightness when you turn on your energy saver. So when it's on, your screen brightness will go lower once the energy saver is enabled, and if it's off, your screen brightness will stay the same. And that's basically it. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.